Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this smart band. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up to open the menu, then you can scroll down, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, you can tap on it to enter the settings. Now scroll down and find the option called vibration and tap on it. And here we have three levels of brightness. We have default, strong, and off. Select the level you like, and then you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch, or rather smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.